Hey guys, this is Breton at the Boyle County Public Library. Today we are going to be looking at December's Teen Take and Make project, and that is going to be making a hot chocolate party favor. And this is a really cool thing that you can make either for yourself or you can give it away as a gift for the holidays. So, in your kit you will have some instructions. You will have this really fun test tube, some marshmallows. We have 2 packets of hot chocolate, a sticker that has instructions for how to make the hot chocolate, and also some string that you can use to wrap a bow around your party favor. Alright, so basically what you're going to want to do is take the tube out of the plastic wrap, and at this point what we're going to do is take both packets of hot chocolate and pour them into the tube. And then after that, we can take our marshmallows and put those on top of the hot chocolate in the tube. And then once that's all done, you will take your sticker, slap it on there, and then finally take your red string and tie a bow around the top of your tube. I'm not making another one because I want to have a bunch of kits available for you all. So we can see my example here. So we have the hot chocolate that's filled up here, the marshmallows fill the remaining space, and then there's a nice bow on top and the sticker. So once you've put all of those pieces together, it will be ready to go, and you can go ahead and wrap it up and give it to a friend, a family member, or like I said, you can keep it for yourself if you so desire. So I hope you all enjoy this Teen Take and Make project. If you have any suggestions or comments or questions, I'm always open to hearing those things, so feel free to reach out and let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you at the next one. Bye guys.